It's the next day, and it's actually hotter than it was the previous day. It's like plus 35 right now. It's flipping hot. So the plan is now I'm just gonna empty it out, clean it out, vacuum it, detail the car, just so it's like all like a nice clean platform. And then I'm gonna go from there, clean the engine bay, jack it up, take the wheels off, check everything out, go underneath, actually look underneath. I know the exhaust is just a welded mess. It goes from like DC headers to like a 2.5 or 2-inch pipe, and then another piece of a pipe, and then a flex pipe, and then it goes into 3-inch, and then it goes into a fat resonator, and then it goes back to a 2-inch, and then back to like the 3-inch muffler right here. So it's a mess, the exhaust, but I think we can salvage it. But that's the plan right now. Got that cleaned out so far. Spare is fairly clean. Zero rust. Let me show you guys a quick before and after. Got the shop vac out. Just gonna vacuum everything. Looks dusty as hell in here, even on the seats. So a quick before and after of just vacuuming. Yeah, so this is after. Looks a lot cleaner. In the back here, a lot cleaner. Trunk, I think I just threw a bunch of crap in it. Yeah, threw all the crap in here. Now it's leaking in here. But yeah, I even did a quick little detail on the thing. Cleaned the rims up a bit. Cleaned the door jambs, nice and shiny. Cleaned all the panels up. Gave it a nice quick wash. And now it's all clean. Next step here is cleaning this disgusting engine bay. We got sub wires everywhere, random wires tapped into, I don't even know. So we're gonna clean this up. I'm gonna cut all the sub wires out, detail the engine bay a bit because it's disgusting down there. We got zip ties here, zip ties here. Like, it's pretty ghetto. Battery's not even really held in. It's just there. The ground wire's about to come off. Nothing's actually holding any of the allowance held in, but that has no bolt. So yeah, this engine's just a complete mess. So I think I'm gonna definitely part it out, because restoring this is gonna be a hassle, especially because there's a 5-speed in here and there's supposed to be a 6-speed. Yeah, I already know someone who wants the engine. I know someone who wants the transmission and the gears. So yeah, this is just a complete hack of a car. I wish it wasn't, or I'd keep it, but I also mean a hack of a car. Like, I drove back with only one bolt sitting on the strut, and then this side I had 2 bolts, none on the sway bar here and none on that side there. Only one bolt holding that sway bar in right there. So that's what I mean, a hack of a car. So I needed to push this TL back, have my Integra sit in front of it, because I'm going to be taking this apart and it's not going to be driving, so I don't want my Integra blocked in by it, right? And I don't have anyone here to help me, and this car is so heavy. It is a lot. It's like double the weight of an Integra, obviously, but I didn't expect it to be that heavy. Obviously I expect my Accord to be super heavy, but anyway, here's my solution to put a mat so I don't mess up this bumper too much, and so I don't mess up my bumper. And it seems to be working so far. I just want to get it, that tire to there, and we should be good. See what we're dealing with. There we go. Just touching that now. And we moved it pretty far. That's where I want it, roughly, maybe a little bit more. Sorry for the wind. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys my process of pushing the car back, because it's been hella heavy. And I've been at it for like the last hour, getting it from the end of the driveway to here. And my driveway has like a bunch of like humps and stuff, and it's not even, and it's been getting stuck. So yeah, that's my solution. All right, here's what we got going on right now. We got the Teggy hooked up to the TSX because the battery's dead as shit. Now we're gonna start this guy up, and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. Let's make sure I don't slam straight into the Teggy. Got power. There we go. Not bad. Oh my, you can hear the exhaust leak right there. Jesus Christ. I don't know if the camera's really picking that up, but that's really deep. Holy, that's deep. Listen to this. But hey, it's running. Sounds really good. I'm gonna disconnect these quick, and I want two hands so I don't short anything. So once I disconnect it, I'll be right back. Alright, so it's disconnected, and I'm back. I turned the Teggy off, so that's not on. All you're hearing is this engine. Injector's quite loud, but doesn't feel like it's ticking, doesn't feel like it's knocking, doesn't sound like it's knocking. So I don't know, it's pretty smooth, sounds pretty good. Like, let me show you this exhaust real quick, and it still sounds good. So as you've seen that before, that's a DC sport header, all right, into a 2-inch flex pipe, into another 2-inch piece of pipe, into a cat, into a 2-inch, into another 2-inch, into a 3-inch, into a fat resonator, 3-inch all the way back. And wait, it gets better, it gets better. 3-inch, you saw that all the way back till right here? Right here, 3-inch? Okay, we're back to 2-inch. Okay, back to 3, back to 2, back to 3, back to that. Kind of a scuffed exhaust system, but here, I'm gonna set you guys up so you can hear it. Yeah, so I think that sounds pretty good. Like, not good, but it's all right. Other than that, engine's pretty healthy. I have 3 codes on it that I've read. I don't know if I said this already. They're 202 sensors and 1 speed sensor, which is in the transmission, and that's why I don't have any speed on the gauge. But other than that, there's no other codes. Engine runs mint. Car drives pretty smooth, so I'm just gonna part this thing out, and that's the decision, I think.